Scanning. Firstly, to get digital impression with intraoral scanner.
Design surgery guide with the digital impression data. In clinic case, we could also consider the CBCT, implant system and digital impression to design it. ND print surgery guide.
Stage I surgery prepare implant hole. Now is stage I to prepare implant hole with Het ILA universal surgery kit. This universal kit have no limitation to prepare implant hole for different implant system. But now most surgery kit could only be used to prepare implant hole for its own brand implant surgery kit. To break this limitation, we had ILA developed universal surgery kit. Our surgery kits including 3 kits. A kit a half cover universal kit is to position and extend implant hole. B kit implant placement kit is used to shape the implant hole. C kit a simple kit to position and deepen the implant hole. In a word, match 1A kit with different B kit. Could be used as a full cover kit to do a complete implant surgery. Now we prepare implant hole with digital surgery guide. The implant position, implant situation and restorative result are predictable through simulate the implant insertion. The safe distance of anatomical structure is clear, and the surgery safety is higher. Minimally invasive surgery can be performed, and dentist does not need to repeatedly cut, flap, and suture the tissue, greatly reducing the operation time to 1/3 of the traditional time. With an incision of less than 5 mm, we have successfully controlled the trauma to a minimum, bringing patients a more comfortable treatment experience and greatly shortening recovery period. Firstly, fix surgery guide with anchor drill and anchor pin. Make the guide stable in the case of even to loose or free end implants insertion. Step 2. Reveal bone by circumcision of tissue with the tissue punch. Step 3. The alveolar ridge is trimmed using a bone mill to remove high points and create a flatter surface, which makes the drill pin less likely to slip out of place when touch alveolar. Step 4. The cortical bone layer at the top of the alveolar ridge is penetrated using an initial drill, and a conical locating point is formed. Step 5. Prepare implant hole by using pilot drill. 3.5 mm. Note that the drill below 3.5 mm in diameter is to be used with the clamping drill guide. The depth of implant hole is controlled by the limit platform, and it is proved to have R.E.8 the design depth when it reaches the limit 0. The clamping drill guide is designed according to the principle of tool clamping in the machining industry. The slotting part will produce elastic contraction. The drill pin inserted into the drill guide to truly achieve zero swing, reducing the angle deviation. The advantage of the clamping type is that once the drill pin is inserted into the guide, it is not easy to fall off. The traditional toolbox guide has a handle, so when using it, you need to hold the handle with one hand and prepare the hole with the other hand. So this is the time to reflect the advantages of the clamping guide, freeing one hand of the operator and making the operation more convenient. F6. Remove the surgery guide when initial drill is done, and check the common implant placement with alignment pins. Reinstall the surgery guide and follow the procedures to prepare implant hole. As you can see, our drill pins have many specifications, both in terms of diameter and length. Their specifications are smaller in span. The purpose of this design is to make the cutting volume of each drill pin smaller when preparing the hole, so that the heat production is smaller, and the guide column has its own water guide groove, which is a double guarantee to prevent the occurrence of bone burns caused by high temperature during the preparation of the hole. And it also enables the operator to operate with less force feedback in the process, which make the angle shift is less likely to occur. Moreover, the small span of specifications can be adapted to as many common implants on the mark as possible, so that the scope of application is wider. Our drill pin top grind design is self-centering and effectively ensures concentric it-Y. This design makes a great concentric it-Y and roundness of the hole preparation. Diameter. The advantage of this design is that the whole preparation will not be flared during the lifting process, which ensures the quality of the whole preparation. Step 7. 35N. Insert the implant with carrier, and then fix the implant with torque wrench until it reaches the pre-designed position. The torque should be at least 35 N and 50 N for immediate loading cases. Step 8. In Eden to Lewis case, the guide should be connected to the implant with a locker after each implant is inserted, in order to ensure an accurate position between each implant position and to make the implant guide more stable. After all implants were inserted, the locker should be removed, then remove the anchor pin, finally remove the surgery guide. MUA installation. Choose correct size MUA according to the Geneva L height measured in the surgery guide design report, and place multi-unit abutment with carrier onto related implant. Fix MUA with torque to ensure the stability between MUA and implant. The torque force is different according to different implant thread structure. In this video we use STEM TS system, and we use 30 N. After fix the MUA at the first time, wait 10 min, then loose the screw. Finally fix it to the prescribed torque. Such an operation method facilitates the use of larger preloads on the screws and reduces the risk of abutment loosening. Now the workflow to install multi-unit abutment is completed. Immediate loading workflow simulation. All on 4. The simulated case in the video is an all-on-4 case. So the multi-unit abutment is placed at 30 degrees in both sides of the posterior region. After the angle correction of the multi-unit abutment, we can see that the common abutment placement is in good condition. Place temporary abutment, could adjust temporary abutment if needed. Impression transfer. There are 3 methods to transfer. 1. Use multi-unit AIO abutment to skin without pray or to do conventional. 2. To use multi-unit transfer to do conventional impression. 3. Use multi-unit skin body to skin without pray. Permanent restoration. 1. Bridge fixed restoration. Place simultaneous design bridge onto multi-unit abutment. Confirm the fitness between bridge and multi-unit abutment. Place screw. Initially fix the screw with clinic screwdriver, confirm the fitness. Then fix the screw again with 15 to 20 Newton. To bar removable restoration. About bar restoration, we could use U-type locator and bar locator to do. Now we are showing bar locator restoration. First, place bar locator onto bar with bar screwdriver. Then use torque to fix the locator with 15 to 20 Newton. Place bar to the MUA unit abutment, fix it with screw. Tighten it with torque with 15 to 20 Newton. Confirm the fitness between bar and multi-unit abutment. After the placement is done, install the prepared simulated removable denture to complete the removable restoration. Stage to restoration, bridge fixed restoration and Barry MOV elbow restoration simulation. It is healing stage after MUA is placed. Here are 2 healing ways could be used. 1. Use multi-unit AIO abutment to do healing and impression. It means AIO is a scannable healing abutment. Could do impression directly on AIO after heal. In safe components cost. To use multi-unit healing abutment to heal. 3 methods to transfer. 1. AIO. 1. Use multi-unit AIO abutment to skin without pray or to do conventional impression. 2. To use multi-unit transfer to do conventional impression. 3. Use multi-unit skin body to skin without pray. Provisional restoration. Place temporary abutment, could adjust temporary abutment if needed. Permanent restoration. 1. Metal bridge fixed restoration. 2. Place simultaneous design bridge onto multi-unit abutment. Confirm the fitness between bridge and multi-unit abutment. Place screw. Initially fix the screw with clinic screwdriver, confirm the fitness. Then fix the screw again with 15 to 20 Newton. To bar removable restoration. About bar restoration, we could use U-type locator and bar locator to do. Now we are showing bar locator restoration. First, place bar locator onto bar with bar screwdriver. Then use torque to fix the locator with 15 to 20 Newton. Place part of MUA unit abutment, fix it with screw. Tighten it with torque with 15 to 20 Newton. Confirm the fitness between bar and multi-unit abutment. After the placement is done, install the prepared simulated removable denture to complete the removable restoration. All the components we used above are our M6 brand multi-unit abutment from Healing. To final restoration, M6 provides Avery EDUF solutions for multi-unit, missing and Eden to LUS implant restoration, which greatly reduces the difficulty of restoration, simplifies the workflow and improves restoration efficiency. Then 6 multi-unita, but Mentisa screw retained abutment that's UI table for multi-unit bridge restorations. It provides different angles and Jing valve height for different